Now let's take a closer look at the factors driving risk prioritization, starting with the state of exploitation. This measure captures whether there is evidence of active exploitation for a given vulnerability. It doesn't predict if attackers might build an exploit in the future or how easy that might be. Instead, it reflects what's happening right now, at the time of analysis. Because the exploitation state can change quickly, it's important that findings are timestamped and backed by reliable sources. These could include vendor advisories, the National Vulnerability Database, ISAC bulletins, or trusted threat reports that reference the CVE or the common name of the vulnerability. Next is technical impact. This tells you what happens if a vulnerability is successfully exploited. Think of it like the severity component in CVSS scoring, but with special attention to scope. If a flaw allows an attacker to gain credentials that provide total control over a system, that would be considered a total impact, even if the vulnerability itself only leaked information. The bottom line here is simple: how badly could this system or component be affected if exploited? We also consider whether the vulnerability is automatable. In other words, can attackers easily scale and script this exploit to hit many targets at once? Factors like attack complexity, the kind of exploit code needed, and how commonly the vulnerable system is deployed all feed into this. If something is easily automatable, it means attackers can weaponize it much faster, and that immediately raises its priority. Finally, there's mission essentiality. A mission essential function is one that directly supports the core mission of the organization, the things you simply cannot stop doing, even during a disruption. Exposures that affect these mission-essential functions take on much greater weight than those that only touch non-essential or supporting functions. Think of it as the difference between a vulnerability in a back-office reporting tool versus one in a system that keeps critical infrastructure running. The impact on the mission is worlds apart. Together, these factors, exploitation, technical impact, automation potential, and mission essentiality, give you a much richer, context-driven way to prioritize risk. Instead of just looking at a score in isolation, you're weighing how real-world threat activity, ease of attack, potential damage, and mission alignment come together. And that means your teams can focus on what truly matters, rather than wasting time on low-value fixes. Watch our other videos to see how Saner CVEM brings these insights together with critical device and application views, high-fidelity dashboards, exploitability analysis, and automated remediation, all designed to help you stay ahead of threats with confidence.